Are you getting annoyed by the Install Resource Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Before diving into the Install Resource Library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Install Resource Library, a generic naming convention used by software installers to house localized UI strings, icons, and menu templates for the setup wizard. If missing, the installer will display a blank white window or a resource load failure error, preventing the software from being installed. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. If Install Resource Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Install Resource Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Install Resource Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Install Resource Library. Thank you for trusting us with Install Resource Library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.